What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to remove and install the master switch that control all windows and mirrors. Alright, first we will need two types of plastic prying tool, one with an angle and one straight. Now, this is the only area where you want to start prying. Start by using the angle one facing down, like this. Be patient. Work your way in. Once you feel a pop open, start using the straight one. Just work your way around patiently and slowly. One, two, three, 4, and 5 clip that have to pop out. To remove the electrical connector, just simply push the tab down and swing the latch, then pull. Alright, so to install it, all you need to do is push in the electrical connector and then swing the latch to lock it. At this point, all you need to do is just push it down, make sure all the clips in, and you're good to go.